Non, depuis mardi, moi on supposé que de retirer machine dans douane nan. Me payer pour ça moi même. Calme, bon mon seconde, bon mon téléphone travail, bon mon seconde. Hello, thank you for calling Violin Services. Can I help you?
Hi, yes, I'm calling to see how much your telephone products are.
Okay, ma'am. They say the product is $5.99.
Okay, is there any way I can get like a cheaper price?
Ma'am, I'm not no. It said the product is $5.99.
So there's no discount I can get or anything like that?
Discount?
Yes.
Ma'am, this is not my mom's job. This is not my dad's job. Okay? If they tell you the product is $5.99, you pay $5.99.
Is there a manager?
You want to speak to the manager?
Yes.
Okay. Hello, this is the manager. Can I help you?
Hi, yes, I'm calling in regards to your telephone price.
Ma'am, they tell you the price is $5.99. You pay $5.99, okay? That's it. This is no discount.
Does anybody here speak English or anything like that?
What do you mean do you speak English here? Come, madam. Look, madam, if you want it, you pay. You don't want it, goodbye, okay? Bye. I'm gonna make this something money here. Even son,